In today's video, I'm going to give you a couple of tips on how to get Top Fan Badge on Facebook. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So as you can see here, I'm on the Leeds United page, which is the football team that I do support, so this can work for any like page, obviously, throughout Facebook. So for me, I'm really active on this page, and I go ahead and I like and comment and all that kind of stuff. I'm going to give you a couple of tips here on how you can go ahead and get the Top Fan Badge. So one of my first tips is, obviously, to go ahead and every time you see a post, go ahead and like the post, and then every time you see a video, go ahead and watch the video in its entirety. This way, it's all about the engagement with the page itself, so if you're going ahead and you're watching all the videos, you're liking all the videos, you're commenting and you're interacting with other people that are active in this group, you will go ahead and get the Top Fan Badge a lot faster. So as you can see here, I've liked this photo, I've watched this video in its entirety. I could go ahead and I could like this video as well, just to get that little bit more interaction with the page. And I could go ahead and like literally every single one, but now I'm a top fan, it will take it a lot for the page to obviously revoke the top fan status from me. So like I say, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is go ahead and like, comment, watch all the videos, interact with the page, visit their websites and all that kind of good stuff, click the links on their page. It will vary on time on how long it was going to take you to get the top fan status, but for me it took me around, I don't know, so like 3-4 weeks, around about a month to get the top fan, and it will just give you it randomly. Some people get it faster than others, and some people get it really quick. It could be like up to a week to 2 weeks, maybe even less. But if you go ahead and follow these tips, guys, if you go ahead and like, comment and watch all the videos and interact with all the posts that the page does put on, you will go ahead and it will be super easy to go ahead and get top fan. Like I say, it will vary on time that it does take you to get top fan, but once you've got it, it is really hard to lose it. So go ahead and interact with the page that you want to have fun on, and you will get it eventually. So if this video helped you guys, please remember to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.